honorable member has referred to a case pertaining to Srimati Harjeet Kaur, who was deported from the United. Now, in her case, sir, her own lawyer has stated on record, I quote, "Thankfully, they did not cuff her. One officer was going to do it, but there was another officer who said, don't do it because of her age." In this particular case, our immigration officials confirmed in this case that she was not cuffed. So we have seen the reports pertaining to this.
प्रश्न संख्या 46।
Honorable Minister Jaishankar ji.
Sir, a statement is laid on the table of the House.
The first supplementary, Shri Ramji Lal Suman.
सभापति जी, बहुत ही भ्रामक जवाब विदेश मंत्री जी ने दिया है और मैंने जो प्रश्न किया था उसमें जो जानकारी हासिल की थी उसके जवाब में विदेश मंत्री जी ने बताया कि 2009 से लेकर के अब तक 18,832 जो भारतीय लोग गलत तरीके से रह रहे थे, अवैध तरीके से अमेरिका में रह रहे थे, उनको निर्वासित किया गया है। विदेश मंत्री जी का यह भी कहना है सभापति जी कि 5 फरवरी 2025 के बाद एक भी घटना ऐसी नहीं है जहां यह प्रकाश में आया हो कि बेड़ियां लगा करके, हथकड़ियां लगा करके किसी भारतीय को अमेरिका ने भेजा हो। सभापति महोदय, ये जानकारी असत्य है, मिथ्या है। मेरे पास तो निश्चित जानकारी है सभापति महोदय। 25 सितंबर को ये तो कह रहे हैं कि 5 फरवरी के बाद कोई ऐसा केस हुआ ही नहीं है, लेकिन 25 फरवरी को हरजीत कौर नाम की 73 वर्ष की एक महिला जो 33 साल से अमेरिका में रह रही थी, सभापति महोदय, उनको बेड़ियां लगा करके अमानवीय तरीके से अमेरिका से बाहर किया गया है। सभापति महोदय, लगता यह है कि अमेरिका इनकी किसी भी बात का नोटिस लेने को तैयार नहीं है और संभावना यह लगती है कि हमने अपनी प्रतिष्ठा गरिमा को अमेरिका के हाथों बेच दिया है। सभा क्या है? अरे क्या तकलीफ हो रही है तुम्हें? क्या है सभापति जी? आप मुझे संरक्षण दीजिए। सब
Member, Honorable Member, I request you not to give a lecture. You please be specific to your question.
सभापति जी, मैं बहुत विनम्रता से आपके मार्फत कहना चाहूंगा कि ये सरकार सदन को गुमराह कर रही है।
No. You have to raise only your question. This is not the. This is
वर्षीय महिला को।
No. Nothing will go on record except the question. Nothing will go on record except the question. This is not the.
सभापति,
It is not.
सभापति जी,
Yes.
Sir,
नहीं मेरे आप दीजिए। अरे मुझे सवाल तक दे दीजिए ना।
Please sit down.
सवाल तो सुन।
नहीं।
तो सुन लीजिए।
आप प्लीज बैठिए।
अरे हमारा सवाल तो सुन लीजिए सभापति।
Honorable member has referred to a case pertaining to Srimati Harjeet Kaur, who was deported from the United States. Now, in her case, sir, her own lawyer has stated on record, I quote, "Thankfully, they did not cuff her. One officer was going to do it, but there was another officer who said, don't do it because of her age." I also would like to inform the member through you, sir, that whenever any flight with deportees come, whether it is a chartered flight or whether it is a commercial flight, the deportees are invariably interviewed by officials of the Government of India. In this particular case, our immigration officials confirmed that in this case she was not cuffed. So we have seen the reports pertaining to this, but I would also like, sir, to inform the member of something else. While Srimati Harjeet Kaur was not handcuffed, she was maltreated. She was maltreated in detention before she was put on the flight. So on the 26th of September, we have officially, through a note verbal, taken up her treatment, her maltreatment, with the American Embassy. We have made clear our very strong concern about the manner of her treatment and asked the embassy and the American authorities to look into this matter. So again, I would like to say, sir, my answer is absolutely accurate. I know perhaps the honourable member, out of concern, having read press reports, is raising a matter. We have gone into that matter. We have clarified the matter. We have launched our concern. We have indicated our concern to the American embassy. So I hope he will rest assured with that.
Second supplementary, Sri Ramji Lal Suman.
सभापति जी, मैं जानना ये चाहता हूँ.
Please specific about your supplementary.
सभापति जी, आपका सदस्य हर वक्त आप सरकार को बचाते रहते, हमारी बात भी सुन लिया करिए.
No, I am requesting you to be specific to your question, nothing else.
सभापति जी, मैं सरकार से ये जानना चाहता हूं कि गैर कानूनी तरीके से हमारे देश से जो लोग अमेरिका जाते हैं या भेजे जाते हैं, कौन सी ऐसी संस्था या एजेंसी हैं, इसके बारे में सरकार को निश्चित जानकारी है और कैसे इन संस्थाओं को चिन्हित करके अब तक सरकार ने उनके खिलाफ क्या प्रभावी कार्रवाई की है?
Honourable Minister.
Sir, again, I appreciate the member's concern on this matter. I would like to inform him that the NIA has registered and investigated 27 human trafficking cases, resulting in 169 arrests and charge sheet against 132 individuals. This is what has been done by the NIA, which has, sir, established some years ago an anti-human trafficking division. It has today a mandate to cover human trafficking. Apart from that, various state governments have also launched investigations, sir. In case of NIA, I also want to say, particularly NIA arrested 2 important traffickers in Haryana and Punjab on the 7th of August, and then in Himachal Pradesh, 2 more people on the 2nd of October. Where state governments are concerned, sir, the maximum number of trafficking is from the state of Punjab. The Punjab government has constituted a SIT and a fact-finding committee. As per information given by them to us, 25 FIRs have been registered against 58 illegal travel agents. 16 accused have been arrested. Where the state of Haryana is concerned, 2,325 cases have been registered, 44 FIRs have been registered, 27 people have been arrested. Also, one very significant trafficker has been arrested by the state government of Gujarat.
Third supplementary.